Hey, this is Tay.
Hey, this is Shay.
This is Tay and Shay's random video. Where we
Subway's good.
I'm
Going
having a
seven.
tuna on white,
I have flatbread.
sometimes chicken.
I just said two things.
Okay, so that's her
Okay,
stepbrother
I,
in the
I, I
background.
didn't really mean them. I didn't really mean it, but I was joking around saying like, when she said, I'm eating tuna, I said, tuna. And when you said flatbread, I said, flathead. I said flathead, you know. But I didn't really mean them. Well, mine is flatbread. It has mac and cheese, banana peppers, pickles, a little bit of lettuce, mayonnaise, salt, pepper.
Mine is tuna, white bread. It has everything like hers except salt and pepper. So banana peppers, pickles, lettuce.
She drank most of the mayonnaise.
I'm gonna drink that. Can we refill it?
You loud. My mom always does it. Peppery.
Yeah. You can refill it.
She already paid for it. Like there's like three of them out there one day. My mom went over there and
Because you can refill it.
it was one of those large ones, but you know those big ones? Like she filled that thing completely up.
Yeah, she gonna fill a drink.
Are done? Okay. Me and my sandwich is cool. Hey, see if the walnut thing
Banana
is in the
peppers
background.
are delicious.
Hey, see if the walnut wall tower is in the background. That thing. Is it? That's it. It's blending in with the
You
clouds.
can't really see it in them.
Anyway, we just wanted to make this video because we were bored and this is a free Wi-Fi site and we're
Really better
hungry.
than her. She's almost done eating. I'm not. I still have 3 inches left of 6 inches.
My stepbrother gave me his bread. That's me. Maybe I'm starting to open them. What? I'm sorry, boogers. You so much bread.
I'm scared.
Yeah. I'm Tay.
I'm Shay.
This is
Tay and Shay's random videos.
Peace.